Hey boys and girls, Murray here with PhoneArena. We're in 4K 60 frames per second now on the Asus Zenfone 8. The hyper steady mode is off because obviously it's doing some cropping magic to work. We'll try again running the stairs, see how stable the image is. So pretty good, even without the hyper steady mode engaged. Let's see if we can get the audio zoom feature, zooming on this truck right there to see if we can hear the engine noise. Okay, let's try it one more time with that guy over there trimming the grass. And that's that.